Maidin waidí vacarja anis inné hui mé fríd na noti marall an character Paul sin an far dal an train agus iniu tamig géirí gol fríd na noti marall an van ógar an train sin Catherine. Now tá couple of líne Erie who's ar bar an seo, couple of lines missing from the previous page, so Jaren should just goil shid sa station trainach agus tan cuma an scéal nach bhfuil gahar bí as bailach. It seems like everything's okay, she's a fairly normal person, but Éireann she buganín mi aineach lena maher. She gets a wee bit impatient mi aineach le mami seki ag an station trainach agus níl she sásta cowrú lena maher, níl she sásta cuidú lehi dul go dtí an lehra, so the mother's given out she needs to go to the loo, but níl she a géisteach lehi. Is costal go dogan she arada maher, so it seems like she takes care of the mum agus go dagan altra gach lá nuair a imíonn she, and that a nurse comes every day when she's to go higgin up her Beiger. Is léir go bhfuil she a géirí brain da chuid curami. It seems like she's getting sick a géirí brain da chuid curami leis an tean van áw. So it seems like she's kind of, you know, goil she cinneal do dóite. Ach, mar scrá hadir she na Nora an taltra. Oh sure, as per usual, she said to the nurse, Nora keshti Nora fui conas marata a maher. When Nora, the altra, the banaltra, asks her about kajé marata maher seki, okay? So tan cuma an scéal gur gra genne she seems like a normal person, rubbug cantalach Beiger, wee bit cranky maybe, but sinamage. Ta leor o mansul a leo eki, so leor gra, scéal gra a leo eki an train. Agus ta she cinnealt dús leis an yard dal, and she is kind to him at first dús, nor fiocan she suas an mala dondo, when she picks up the bag for him. Ach fécan she go crosta, nor a woolan she lena wata shul bugnach, when she gets cross when he nearly hits her with his bata shul. Tá Paul bocht bug ban seo áfach, so ní ekin Paul seo, ní huggin sé fadger, he doesn't notice that he's doing this, agus ní higgin sé ar Carby gohfuil a chuid umper I courage Jacker Catherine, and he doesn't get that his umper, his behaviour, tá sé courage Jacker Catherine, is annoying her, bothering her. Tá Jean le fecail I Catherine, then we can see Jean disgust I seki on her face, nor Hogan Paul amaka Annalore when he takes out his Annalore, his inhaler, on Schlishin Cáca, the slice of cake, agus nor a woolen she cosa fuin mord, fuin tabla, and when he hits her legs under the table. Mar goil she corhanach. Tá sé mi aineachs na fragri go léir huggin she Paul. She's impatient in her fragri, her answers. Agus is léir nach bhfuil funda léad he bheithig lort leis, and it's clear that she doesn't have the remote interest in chatting to him. Funda léad he bheithig lort ag caint leis. Tá mig genu éireach da jersey. I'm trying a jersey, nor éireann she he an bhfuil she ag léu. When he says, are you reading? She says kind of sarcastically, well, I'm trying to. Ta she sharrowasach in a cuj fragri gone out freshen. So she's sharrowasach. She's sarcastic in a cuj fragri gone out gone auras. Huisig bar and shop. Neil she sásta cowrú leis an café a ail. She's not happy to help him cowrú leis an café a ail. Agus níos Jenny siúcra a chur isteach in a cupan café dough, and later to put sugar into his coffee. She doesn't want to help him out. Tá she mi frócarach. She is unmerciful, agus mi carhanacht gan auras gan doughterby. Mi carhanach sin uncharitable, mi cinnealta. Ligan she de Paul prashaki enu an mord an tabla o sakor. Ach jé nye ta she giri nis nivni. So ligan she de Paul prashaki enu. She lets him make a mess an mord an tabla on the table in front of them. Ach jé nye de rarikela bit by bit ta she giri nis nivni. Now nivniach means kind of poisonous. Ta she giri nis nivni, she's getting more and more nasty. Nis masanashin. Worse again, tá she maliciach nor inshin she brag do fuin rare catala fecail tevin way. She's maliciach, she's malicious. When she tells him the brag, the lie, fuin rare catala fecail about the rare, the sight or the view that can be seen, tevin way than in yog. agus is cinse ghfuil si buint sásamh agus pléisiúr as bheith cur as donnear dal. And you can see that she's getting some kind of satisfaction from ag cur as donnear, from upsetting the fardal. Ní ligan siad a Paul a chuid brod a léirú as an turas a bheith rólas de glan bheor ag ó bhí sin a fáist. She doesn't allow him to show his brod, his pride, for knowing the journey de glan bheor off by heart ó bhí sin a fáist ó bhí sé óg. Tá he chuiristeach agus é céapú. Basically, she has to annoy him and kind of torture him or annoy him. Yeah. Mar an ggéarna leis an mréig faoin béis sa Cáca Milis, and it's the same mar an ggéarna leis an mréig faoin béist with the lie about the worms sa Cáca Milis. Leanan si he again sin breig do. She continues on again sin breig, telling lies to him, nor Ector D go will an far buck trína céile agus scanrithe, when it's clear to her that he's trína céile, he's upset agus scanrithe agus go will agla Tá an tulcas le feicáil go láidir in si an seo. An tulcas, the badness, the evil. Tá si le feicáil go láidir, can be seen good and strong here. De réir céile, bit by bit, feictar doing an tulcas agus an wali sin ag fás in si. So feictar doing, we see the ulcas, the badness and the maliciousness ag fás in si, growing within her. Agus teigt her doing go bhfuil tréthe andorcha buinse lena character. And we understand there's tréthe personality traits andorcha, really dark traits ag buinse lena character. Is dún warfer is a Jeru. In fact, she's a dún warfer. She's a murderer in the end ag Jeru an scanning. Nuair a bhugann si an tanalór ón mór ón tabla, sa chinach mé Paul in an, nach mé sé abalta, na pohanna a hawali sé, a hawali é ail. When she moves the analor, the inhaler, from the table, sa key, honest nach mé Paul in an, so that he's not able, na pohanna, to take the puffs that will save him. Tá she glick agus cliste go leor an tanalór a chur ar asher and mord, so le nimian she afach. But she's sly enough, glick, to put the inhaler back ar an mord ar an tabla, so le nimian she afach before she goes though. Fecin which gur sort sheepachtaí ar Jeru here in the end. We see I'll just had to change that up. So huasig bar back to the top. Fecin which gur sort Shika Patty E or Jeru here. We see that she's a kind of a psychopath. Emmy and she own train her nose Comalehi, so she fog and she and train. Agus is Comalehi sa chuck, she doesn't give a damn about him. Agus he bug ban an actor Liofa a tatreish tarlu, and she's not bothered about the actor Liofa, the awful incident a tatreish tarlu that's just happened. Buinen a chuid umper status and locht faken a gone out. So buinen a chuid umper her behaviour, buinen she stad as an locht fakena, buinen she getch as an locht fakena, really kind of frightens the audience, gone out, gone hour serbi. So shin character Catherine now, shaw couple of pointse to kind of shaw a camera summary Marial character seki. Tá she bug go leor dús. At first she seems kind of bug, soft enough, agus fáinne go dús baie, and kind of patient lena maher agus le Paul dús kibé. Arian she me aineach, but she gets me aineach, impatient and shin, lena maher agus le Paul. Is cosol go will she brain de veheg torch ara da maher. It seems like she's getting kind of sick of looking after the mum. Mar Arian she me aineach, she gets kind of impatient then. Being Jaistin or he agus being she sharawasach. She's disgusted and she's sharawasach, she's sarcastic le Paul and train. Tagan farag he, Arian she needs cantily, Arian she needs crusted derera kela. Arian she chin tershach, the cabaret Paul. She gets sick and tired of Paul's chatting agus kainch gun stad gun stenu. Tá she malicious agus ulk. She's malicious and evil. Ulk is druch gen ye amachas amach. Tá she bunch sasav as vehig curas de Paul. Tá she bunch sasav as vehig curisteach Tá she sasta go will she trina kela. She's getting a kick out of upsetting him. Tá she glick agus cliste. She's sly glick agus cliste. Is dún warfer agus shika patach e. She's a murderer, a dún warfer, agus shika patach